Oh, I don't know, is it?
Looks like it.
Oh, it's a smoke screen.
Oh, really?
Oh, I'm getting lit up by like all these boats. Oh, dude, this is not a good idea.
I could train up on
It's a
this.
torpedo
that
boat that
little
made it.
Torpedo boat.
He's just shot torpedoes at me. Fuck. I'm getting fucked. Damn, bro.
I'll set him on fire. So I have to come around the other side. Fuck him up, Justin.
The ship is on fire.
Got him!
Nice.
That other one's too far for me to hit.
There's hella torpedo boats over there. Damn, that boat's getting fucked up. Our team captured B.
Yeah, that was me. Oh, and you. Huh? You're right there. I didn't know you were right here beside me.
Yeah, man, who do you think fucked up that boat for you before you finish it off?
I had no
Stealing
idea.
your kill, stealing the kills.
Yeah, I had a...
Trying to see who gets the kill.
Ain't hit either one of those guys yet. Do we need to stay in this area or go out and try to kill him?
I don't know, I'm gonna go out and try to kill that guy.
Yeah, I'll come
We
with
can
you
try
then.
to kill the one behind us.
What do you want to do? Do you want to
Those are both
pull the
battleships.
shitty real quick and turn around,
Those
or
are
do you want to
both
kill
Oh,
him
those are
battleships.
battleships.
And then the
Oh,
one in the
never
middle
mind.
is like the one that you could probably whoop.
He's really fucked up.
Okay, let's come in and
yeah,
fight.
yeah, you see how our team is just shooting at the weaker boat, those bastards.
Yeah, let's just come in on the sides of these dudes then.
There's a battleship over there too.
I don't know, what's the difference? Which one is the battleship?
It has
See the
two lines
stripes?
in there.
Two black lines in the arrow?
Oh, okay, alright. So these are both battleships up ahead of us then, right?
Yep. And the other one
Yeah.
that got blown up was either a cruiser or a destroyer.
I still can't fire on those guys, we're too far.
Yeah. Our bullets do like nothing to them though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only
way you
the
guys-
other guy then.
You guys gotta shoot at him from a distance and catch him on fire. That's like your best bet. You guys both shoot
So
at the same
AP or
boat
HE
too.
then?
HE.
Okay, let me switch rounds then.
Try to aim for like their smokestacks and like the lower back of their like boat.
That one is looking pretty banged up though, he's already smoking and stuff.
Okay, yeah,
That's bad.
the one on the right is pretty fucked up, and the one on the left is like half damage. You can hold Alt and see everybody's health.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, those battleships are probably fucked.
Are you in firing distance now, Plex?
No, I was just seeing how close it would get.
Oh, he's about to get hit by those torpedoes right there. Oh, dang.
Damn, that did it. Damn.
Yeah, it
he's
did.
almost dead. Yeah, he's gone. Rip.
That other one's about dead too.
Ooh, Gage.
Yeah, I got fucking lit up.
It's a battleship, that's why.
There's 3 of them shooting at me, that's why.
Just gonna yellow it. He's healing somehow, what the fuck?
Yeah, battleships can heal themselves. They get it like every 2 minutes.
Oh dang.
They only
But
have
it's
the
got a
ability, but they can only use the ability 3 times, and it only gives them like 4,000, something like that.
Huh.
But if like your captain is upgraded, you can give him more and all that jazz.
He's about to get torpedoed. Look at this.
I shot right over that round I put at him.
He's getting torpedoed. He's gone. How many are left? Oh shit, never mind.
One.
Seems left.
Oh, no, never mind, huh?
2 battleships, 1 aircraft carrier, and 3 destroyers, and one's like long range. Then the other one's another battleship, or nah, it's a cruiser.
Good thing we got a Yuri and a Chikuma. They're talking about us.
Yeah, I know.
Where are you going, Flex?
I want to see if I can turn it into a land boat. I just got stuck.
What do you think was gonna happen?
No, I was trying to turn around and the turn wasn't sharp enough.
I don't think you're still gonna be sharp enough, bro. You know how boats work, bro?
Aquaman pushes it, right?
Aquaman's gonna come
Stop
save
it.
you, bro. Your boat didn't even get the fucked up here, alright?
Yeah, no, he didn't land this like nothing. So I don't really care. Oh my god.
Oh, that guy got me?
It's hitting like an invisible barrier now. I hate this game.
Damn, dude, I just saw Justin over there and I tried to switch to Justin and Justin's already gone. I'm like, damn.
Yeah, I really
So
need to start paying
recycle
attention to
fleet.
my health bar.
Am I the only one? Oh, never
No,
mind,
there's one other
you guys
dude.
left.
And there's like 3 other people.
I gotta kill this match.
I'm
though.
like useless. I'm just trying to get out of this fucking land barrier.